and just embrace her. Watch this. This simple embrace you got on pink. When's the last time you had a hug? A mother. You see? You see?
Oh, Jesus.
When's the last time you had a hug? See, just wait. Just wait. Come here, baby. Come here. I said, you're shaking. It's okay. I said, when was the last time you had a hug? What did you say?
I don't remember.
You don't remember. Hug. He said he doesn't remember. This is your young people. And you want to know why they're suicidal. You want to know why they're depressed. Somebody hug him. He's still crying. You want to know why they're promiscuous. You want to know why they're angry. Just grab him, y'all. Grab him. Because he about to fall. Grab him. You want to know why they smoking and drinking and trying to numb pain, and the church is sleeping. Every generational curse, it stops with me. Well, I'm making a conscious decision to bring change, not just in my house and my community. There are children walking around and they're violent because ain't nobody hugging them. While she was on her knees and he kicked her. It was worse than Puffy and Sierra. He kicked her like this, boom, and she went. And when he kicked her like this. And as I was running, blood fell on me. I hated my father. I hated him because he was abusive to my mother. And so what happened is I got older and I became tough.